To create the illusion of a rotating carousel with images in Canva, start by going to the Elements tab and selecting some frames. Choose a frame and resize it. Duplicate this frame to create another of the same size. Then duplicate again and make it a little smaller, placing these smaller frames on either side. Duplicate once more to create the smallest size frames and make 3 of these. Select all 3 smallest frames and send them to the back layer. Gather your images and place them at the top of your screen in a specific order that you will maintain throughout the design. Duplicate your page until you have 7 pages total. On page 1, place each image into each frame following your established order. On the next page, place each image in the same order but shift them over by 1 frame, and repeat this pattern for all remaining pages, shifting 1 frame over each time. The larger frames represent the front of the circle and the smallest frames represent the back, so placing images in this rotating manner maintains the carousel illusion. Click between 2 pages, choose the Match and Move transition. Set the duration to 1 second and apply this transition to all pages. Preview your design to see the rotating carousel effect in action.